Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide a secret folder in Gmail. So let's go to Gmail first. After logging to your Gmail account, you will find here this label options. Just like I'm creating one folder named secret. Clicking here create, you will find here a secret folder. Now if you want to hide this folder, what I'm going to do is you will find here settings option on top. Just click on this, go see all settings, then go to the second option labels, scroll down and you'll find here labels, this one. Then under the label option you'll find here all of your labels. Just choose the folder you want to hide, like this secret. I want to hide this folder, so I will click on this hide option, this one, hide. I'll click on this hide for the message. Now let's see, you cannot find here. Okay, the folder is hidden and it will be here in the mode, not here. Okay guys, so this is how you can hide the folder in Gmail. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.